Hello and welcome. So today let's talk about neem leaf. Let me tell you some things I do with my neem leaf which you love. So this is my neem leaf. So this are neem leaves, okay? So are neem leaves. For those of you that don't know what neem leaf is, so this is neem leaf. Yeah, this is neem leaf and this is so fresh. So the first thing I want to talk about neem leaf is it helps to boost your immune system. So if you want to build your immune system, you want to feel strong, you want to live so healthy, make neem leaf tea a friend. More videos will be coming and you see many things I do with my neem leaf. So today let me just say little things about neem leaf. And the first one which I just said is to build your immunity. So this helps to build our immune system. If you want a strong immune system, just make a tea from this. You don't need much. You can chew it if you don't want to make a tea from it. If you feel you can chew it, yes, it's good for our teeth, it's good for our gums. So if you can chew it, 3 leaves for like 3 times a week is okay. Okay, you don't need to take it daily. You don't need to take it daily. Just 3 leaves, 3 times a week. Maybe if you take it today, Monday, you don't take Tuesday, then Wednesday, take just like that. This will really help to build your immune system. It will go a very long way to make you feel so good. So number two is for our skin. Hey, for our skin. This is very good for acne. This is good for eczema. This is good for pimples. This helps to get rid of scars. Okay, you know, sometimes after treating that acne, after getting rid of that pimples, we end up with black spots. But with this, with neem leaf, you won't have any scars. All you just need to do is to make a paste from neem leaf and add some turmeric powder to it. Mix it, have a paste, and apply it on your skin and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash it off, and within few days, you are going to see how you start glowing. It will give you a smooth, beautiful skin. Now, this is good for our hair. Number three, this helps for a healthy hair. If you have dandruff and you've been struggling with it, give neem leaf a try. Yes, give neem leaf a try. So all you just need to do is to boil your neem leaf. Okay, boil it. After washing your hair, just use the water to rinse your hair. So after shampooing your hair, okay, you need to wash your hair with shampoo so that your hair will be clean. Then the next thing you do is pour this neem leaf, the boiled one. Okay, you already have the water. Use it to rinse your hair. This will get rid of dandruff. This will also get rid of lice. So if you have lice, this is very good for getting rid of lice. This is good for getting rid of lice and dandruff. It helps to promote healthy hair. It also moisturizes the scalp. This is very good for us. So if you want a healthy long hair, add this to your cream, make oil from it, boil the water and use it to rinse your hair. So the next thing I want to talk about is for teeth. That's number okay. That's number four for teeth. Neem leaf is very good for teeth, and I have the stick here with me. So if you're getting your neem leaf, also don't throw away the stick. Don't throw away the stick. Keep it. Use it for your chewing stick. Okay. Use it for your chewing stick. You know those days our parents will just get it and use it to brush their teeth. But we know we these days now we don't use it. It helps to whiten the teeth. It helps to get rid of toothache. Okay. If in case you can't chew this, you can chew the leaves. It helps for mouth infection. It helps for the gum. So if you have this fungal infection and so on, give neem leaf a try. Use the stick to brush your teeth if you can, or use the leaf, chew it and leave it there. This is very very good in getting rid of toothache. So that is it for toothache. Neem leaf get rid of toothache. Neem leaf helps to get rid of toxins from our body because of its cleansing properties. Neem leaf have these cleansing properties that will help to get rid of those toxins from our body. So make neem leaf tea a friend. If you want to get rid of those toxins from your body, take neem leaf tea. This is also good for bones. Neem leaf is very very good for bones. So if you suffer from arthritis, okay, all you just need to do is to make neem leaf oil. Okay, make oil from this neem leaf. I'll be making videos of those stuffs. Okay, how to make neem leaf oil and so on. So stay tuned to journey with Judy. So I'm making video on that. So all you just need to do is to make neem leaf oil and apply it on your joints. Okay, use to massage your joints. This really helps to get this really helps to get rid of pain. Yeah, it goes a very long way to get rid of that joint pain. So massage your face with it, and you can make tea from this neem leaf tea. It helps a lot. You're going to love it. It really helps. This also helps to get rid of wounds if you have wounds. So this will help to heal the wound so fast and also get rid of the scars. So if you have a wound, you can apply neem leaf oil on it, okay, or you just make a paste from this and use the water to clean your wound. It will help the wound to go so fast. It will heal the wound so fast, and also help the wound not to have any scars. It will just really help to prevent scars that may result from the wound. This helps to ward off insects. So if you have a place where insects are disturbing you, give neem leaf a try. Mosquitoes, you know those stubborn mosquitoes that have just been buzzing and so on. Give neem leaf a try. All you just need to do is to burn neem leaf, okay, the dried one, not this fresh one. This one is fresh. So and it doesn't take time to get dried. When you leave it within few days, you just notice that it's already dry. You don't need to sun it. Just inside the house, you will just get your dried neem leaf, burn it, and flies, mosquitoes will stay far from your house. Just the way this helps to get rid of insects when you burn it, it also helps to prevent insects from eating your food. So if you have beans, rice and so on, just add some neem leaf to those your food, your raw food, okay, the raw one of course. Add some neem leaves to them, your beans, your rice. Hey, those insects who come near your raw food, they won't. They don't like the smell of neem leaves. So when you buy beans, you're looking for a way to preserve it, just add some neem leaves to it, your rice, okay, add some neem leaf to your rice and other raw fruits. You're going to you're going to love the result it will give you. Yeah, you will love the result that will come out of this stuff because it has been helping. Yes, it really helps. So give neem leaf a try as a form of preservative to preserve your raw food for a long time. The last one I want to say today is diabetes. If you suffer from diabetes, give neem leaf a try. All you just need to do is to boil your neem leaf and make a tea from it. Okay? Drink it morning and night, and within a short while, this will help to regulate your blood sugar level. Just give it a try and see how effective neem leaf is. And that is it on neem leaf, and I hope you find this helpful. Please, if you do, give me a thumbs up by clicking on that like button, give me a like, and also subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.